Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will explore our capacity for harnessing gratitude, even when things don't go the way we would have hoped. When we don't get what we want, we can deepen our practice of thankfulness to find that even amidst disappointment, there is room to learn, to grow, and to find peace. To begin, find a seated position, keeping the back straight and comfortable, and the shoulders opened, though relaxed. Close your eyes if you have not already done so, and then settle in by drawing your attention to the flow of your breath. Let the mind come to rest for a few moments as you soften its expectations simply by paying attention to what is right here. Draw your attention to the belly now, seeing if you might invite the breath a little bit deeper. And as you exhale, let all muscles around your core soften completely. After 2 more full belly breaths, let your breath resume its natural depth and pace. And in a moment, we will move further into today's exploration. No matter who we are, no matter where we've been or what we've done, we all encounter moments of not getting whatever it is we want. Whether that be a particular job, a relationship, an experience, or any sort of object, we are all familiar with a desire going unmet. While these moments of not receiving what we yearn for can be quite difficult to accept and embrace, they provide us with an opportunity to deepen our gratitude for what we do have, and for the chance to learn or to grow. Not getting what we want forces us to take a step back from our tendency to plan or control. It urges us to sink back into the present moment and to reflect. We might reflect upon what this experience of not getting might have to teach us or to show us. Or, if at first this feels inaccessible, we can let this experience be a reminder to see what we already have. For instance, we didn't manage to get the promotion we thought we deeply wanted. Can we find the positives in this experience? Positives might be more time to acquire new skills, additional time to reflect on our values or aspirations, or an opportunity to just rest for a little while longer. Sometimes the beauty of not getting what we want only reveals itself to us later. As a quote attributed to the Dalai Lama reads, "Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck." We can never know what waits for us down the road, but in opening up to trusting the flow of life, we find greater peace with whatever we have or have not received. Now, take a moment to tune into your posture once again, straightening the spine and softening the shoulders. As you breathe in, guide your breath through the center of the chest, letting the heart open a little wider on the inhale. And as you exhale, let your heart's walls relax a little. Bring to mind now your awareness of something unreceived. And see if you might take a step away from whatever your thoughts might say about this experience. In place of whatever story might arise unconsciously, see if you might find a silver lining in this experience, no matter how thin that silver lining might be. Then, see if you might open your heart to the unknown blessings of not receiving, trusting that the story is not over. Life will continue to unfold and present new opportunities to be experienced. As you inhale, silently repeat the words, "I trust." And as you exhale, silently repeat the words, "What comes?" I trust as you inhale. What comes as you exhale? Now, let these words dissolve as you draw your hands to your heart to close this practice. Take one more moment here to silently whisper any gratitude that is beginning to rise within you. Then, tune into the natural flow of your breath once again. And then to the floor beneath you. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes to the day ahead. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.